In this video, I'll show you how to compress a PDF without losing quality, and you can do it 100% free. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. Okay, let's start. Don't worry, I'll explain everything step by step. First, let me show you how to check the PDF file size. Go to the folder where your PDF file is saved. Move your mouse on the PDF file. Now, right-click on the file. From the menu, click Properties. A small window will open. Here, you can see the file size. Remember this size, or just look at it carefully. Now click OK and close the window. Now, let's make the PDF smaller. Open any internet browser. You can open Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or any browser you use. Go to Google and type I love PDF, then press Enter. From the search results, open the I love PDF website. When the website opens, look at the main page. Find and click Compress PDF. Now click Select PDF File. A window will open on your screen. Choose your PDF file and click Open. Please wait a few seconds while the file uploads. After uploading, you will see three options. Choose Recommended Compression. This option keeps the PDF clear but reduces the file size. Now click Compress PDF. Wait a moment. Okay, it's done. Now click Download to save the new PDF to your computer. Now let's check the file size again. Go back to the folder where the new PDF is saved. Right-click on the new PDF file. Click Properties. Look at the file size now. You can see it is much smaller than before. That's it. Your PDF file is now smaller, clear, and ready to upload anywhere. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel for more easy guides, and comment PDF if you want more videos like this. Thanks for watching.